Tomorrow will be the 31st anniversary of our independence stop. On the eve of this auspicious occasion, I greet you, my fellow citizens, at home and abroad, and offer you my good wishes. Stop much has happened. In the last 1 year, stop the government has done its best to restore the rule of law and the liberties of our people. Stop, I want to speak to you tonight not only of our achievements and aspirations but also the unfulfilled tasks and the tormenting differences casting their ominous shadows on our national life. Stop, a country of India's dimensions with its missed opportunities and mounting challenges remain a nation in constant evolution despite its impressive strides in many spheres. Stop, it has been going through an endless self-examining process trying to rediscover itself, said the accumulated hangovers of the past and keep pace with the complexities and compulsions of the present times. Stop, the tempo of this activity can be sustained only through stability, which is the very basis of survival. Stop, the country stands today at the critical crossroads of history, and any false turn could prove ruinous for the nation. Stop, para. In a democracy, there is always place for honest differences. The inherent right of dissent must not, however, be carried to the point of obstructing the democratic processes, blocking the proceedings of legislatures, carrying controversies to the streets, or indulging in the politics of denunciation and manipulation. Stop, the country's political system can function only within the framework of the accepted norms based on self restraint and readiness to place public welfare above narrow party of personal interests. Stop, a nation torn as under by bitter discord can hardly hold its place or make any progress. Stop, there is need for an ennobling vision of a resurgent India imbued with a crusading spirit and an exhilarating sense of participation in a common effort. Stop, no nation can face the future and move forward without a robust faith in itself and its people. Stop, para. The real crusade today is against poverty. Stop, we must end the widening disparities between the rich and the poor and the creation of islands of privilege. Stop, we cannot afford to be complacent in such a situation. Have to forge ahead with well conceived, need oriented, and strictly time bound programs for ensuring socio economic justice for all. Stop, the future must hold out a promise for a better life for the economically weaker and vulnerable sections of our society. Stop.